Leo and Chloe's Greek Adventure. Leo and Chloe lived in a small, sunny house by the sea. One morning, they found a rolled-up map in an old wooden chest. It wasn't an ordinary map. It shimmered with a golden light. "Where do you think it leads?" whispered Chloe. "Let's find out," said Leo. The first place on the map was a picture of tall, proud columns standing on a hill. As soon as Leo touched the picture, the world outside their window swirled into a blur of blue and white. They landed gently on a grassy hill. Before them stood the Parthenon, its marble columns reaching for the bright blue sky. "It's a temple for a goddess named Athena," Leo read from the map, which now had glowing words on it. Chloe pulled out her sketchbook. She loved to draw. She drew the strong columns and imagined the wise Athena smiling down at them. "The stones remember so many stories," she said softly. Next, the map showed a picture of giant rocks that looked like they were floating in the air. Whoosh! The wind carried them to a place called Meteora. Monasteries were perched on top of the towering rocks, almost touching the clouds. "How did anyone build something way up here?" wondered Leo. They imagined monks long ago, climbing carefully to their peaceful homes in the sky. It felt like a secret, magical world. The map then glowed with a deep blue color, showing an island with white houses and blue domes. With another gentle swirl, they found themselves in Santorini. The sea sparkled below them like a carpet of sapphires. They walked through narrow, winding streets, past houses that looked like sugar cubes. Bright pink flowers tumbled down the white walls. "This is my favorite color," Chloe laughed, touching a soft petal. For their last adventure, the map showed a picture of a sea turtle swimming in clear water. They were whisked away to a quiet beach on the island of Zakynthos. A mother turtle was slowly making her way back to the sea after laying her eggs. As the sun began to set, painting the sky orange and pink, the map gently faded. Leo and Chloe found themselves back in their room. They looked at each other and smiled. Greece had shared its history, its beauty, and its magic with them, and they would never forget it.